Managing HR operations doesn't have to be complicated. Our HRMan software brings your essential employee process together in one efficient and powerful platform. From employee management and attendance to leave, payroll, recruitment, and performance, everything you need to manage your workforce is available in one integrated system. Managing employee information becomes simple and organized. With Softrack, HR teams can securely maintain employee job details and important records from one centralized system. With integrated time and attendance management, you can easily monitor employee check-ins, working hours, absences, and attendance records, all from one place. Leave management becomes easier with a clear and organized process. Employees can submit leave requests, while HR teams can review, approve, and track leave balances in real time. Payroll processing is also made simple and efficient. Calculate salaries, allowances, deductions, overtime, and other payroll details, then generate accurate slips with just a few clicks. Keep important HR documents organized and easy to access. Store employee and company documents in one centralized system, making it faster and easier to find the information you need. Recruitment becomes more organized from the first application to the final selection. You can manage job openings, review candidates, track interviews, and monitor your entire hiring process in one place. Track employee performance with clear goals, measurable results, and meaningful feedback. Managers can evaluate progress, monitor key performance with organized performance data. Turn your HR data into useful insights. Generate clear reports and visual analytics for attendance, leave, payroll, helping you make faster and more decisions. Ready to simplify your HR operations? Discover a smarter way to manage your workforce with Softrack technologies. Contact us today to learn more.